I'd like to see the break of that pivot at 215. We are underneath the VWAP, and it did sell off aggressively. Watching, looking for the break of 215 there. There's plenty of green coming in. Will they break that 215? There it goes, gonna go ahead and out of there. Well, it was showing behaviors of it wanting to break that 215, but I guess not. Bid support at 210. Here it comes, looking to break 215. Large buyers coming in at 214. There is just a nasty wall there at 215, isn't there? See, looks like we want to break. Large buyers coming in, but it's still not breaking that wall. Comes to take another stab. See on time and sales, they keep trying to stab at it, but it's not giving in. Stop loss underneath this. Cut losses short. In case it does a U-turn, breaks its own low, gets stopped out immediately. 209. I guess people are looking at this pattern and thinking this thing has to break that 215. Just has to break it. Breaks it, will have a nice move to the upside with some resistance levels. Although this would be definitely the bottom of that downtrend. It's a 35,000 share bid sitting at 210. Now there's 36,000 shares on the 210. Look at that nasty wall there. 213, 214. You know, there's 37 shares now sitting at 210. There's more on the 213, 214s. There goes testing 214. to break this wall. If we break this wall, next wall is at 220. Right up here near the VWAP. Slowly breaking it. Here it comes. Look at all those buyers coming in at 214. There's 215. Just a small break there above 215. Alright, looks like there's now there's a bid support there at 214 right here. Right at the level it just broke above. Good to see some bids stepping up. The next resistance, 220, as we mentioned earlier, right near the VWAP, underneath it. Oh, back below 214. Question is now, will it hold at 214? We're at the minimum at 210. This could simply be a fake out, breakout. Fake out, breakout, where it breaks the level and immediately comes back down below it. This 1 minute candle has a high of 218. So at the moment we're looking for it to hold these levels at the very minimum, hold that ascending support or that 210. If it holds those levels and with enough influx of buyers, it should break its own high of 218 if it doesn't do it now. Perhaps on the next 1 minute candle, which is in 1 second. There it is. Looks like a big middle finger here, doesn't it? This red candle. That bid at 210 is still there, although it looks like the sellers are overwhelming it. You can see it decrease a little bit. Yeah, look at that. There's still buyers there down here. Next bid support is at 205, but by then we'll be stopped out already. Still there. 38,000. Let's get rid of this one so we can see it better. Oh, look at that decrease. You saw that decrease at 210. Just all the buyers there got sold into. And now it's on a nastier downtrend. But that's the importance of cutting your losses short, right? Look at that. 205, 28,000. Let's see if it holds. 205 is right down here. Yeah, so look at that. Exactly what we mentioned is a fake out breakout. Broke that 215, gives a little peekaboo 3 cents and said, screw you. He literally flipped us off with this red candle. Came back down. And that's the end of that story. All while QQQs continues to uptrend. I know it's a very tricky market, and looks like we'll have to be a lot more careful with our approach since the market has been acting like a funky thing. But yeah, that's it for me. Thanks for being here with me today. I'll catch you all on the next one. Goodbye.